Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. Some vehicles are built to move people. Others are built to move boundaries. The 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe stands in a class of its own, a modern expression of American strength, redefined for a new generation. It doesn't just conquer the road, it commands it. From the moment it comes into view, the Tahoe exudes authority. Its design is sculpted, bold, and unmistakably Chevrolet, a perfect balance between rugged capability and refined sophistication. The newly designed front fascia features a redesigned grille, a wider stance, and precision LED lighting that gives it a confident, unmistakable gaze. Every detail, from the sculpted hood to the aerodynamic contours, has been engineered to convey motion even when standing still. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of presence. Power is more than performance, it's confidence. Beneath the hood, the 2026 Tahoe offers a range of next-generation engines, including a 6.2L V8 that roars with over 420 horsepower, and a Duramax Turbo Diesel option designed for those who value endurance and efficiency. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Tahoe delivers seamless acceleration, refined control, and class-leading towing capacity. Whether you're hauling, climbing, or cruising, every drive feels effortless, every road feels conquered. The Tahoe's strength is matched only by its grace. The adaptive air ride suspension continuously adjusts ride height and damping, ensuring a smooth experience on any terrain, whether gliding across city streets or tackling backcountry roads. Combined with magnetic ride control and an advanced four-wheel drive system, the Tahoe transforms capability into comfort. It's power without harshness, intelligence without compromise. Step inside, and the Tahoe reveals its true evolution. The cabin is a sanctuary of refinement, crafted for those who expect more. Premium materials line every surface, soft leather, brushed metal, and real wood accents combine to create an atmosphere of sophistication and calm. The expanded interior offers generous space for up to 9 passengers, while the best-in-class cargo capacity ensures there's room for everything and everyone that matters most. Technology defines the modern driving experience, and the Tahoe leads with innovation. The 17.7-inch curved infotainment screen serves as the centerpiece, integrating seamlessly with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Together, they form a panoramic display of intelligence, crisp, intuitive, and customizable. With Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, your digital life moves with you. Voice control, smart navigation, and over-the-air updates ensure that your Tahoe is always as advanced as the day you bought it. The Super Cruise hands-free driving system extends your command even further, now compatible with more than 750,000 miles of roads across North America. It's the future of freedom, letting you enjoy the journey while technology handles the details. Behind the screens lies sound engineered by Bose Premium Audio. Every note, every beat resonates through a cabin tuned for acoustic excellence. Whether you're on a solo drive through the desert or a family road trip across states, the Tahoe turns every moment into an experience. Safety has always been Chevrolet's promise, and the 2026 Tahoe honors that commitment with Chevrolet Safety Assist. Features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and HD surround vision form an invisible shield of confidence. The Tahoe doesn't just react, it anticipates, ensuring that you and your loved ones are protected wherever the road leads. But beyond the engineering, beyond the innovation, the Tahoe represents something timeless. It's a connection between past and future, between strength and sophistication. For families, it's a vessel of memories. For adventurers, it's a gateway to the unknown. For leaders, it's a statement of capability and composure. As twilight falls, the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe stands illuminated under the city lights, LED beams glowing against the pavement, chrome accents catching the last glimmers of dusk. The hum of its engine fades into silence, replaced by the steady heartbeat of confidence. This is more than a vehicle, it's a legacy built to lead, built to last, built to go further than ever before. The future of full-size SUVs isn't just powerful, it's purposeful. It's intelligent. It's beautiful. It's unmistakably Chevrolet. The 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe, command every journey. Lead every road. Live without limits. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.